Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to register to Interac e-Transfer in TD Canada Trust account. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website td.com. On this page, you will see a section for Easy Web Online Banking. Under it is a Login button. Click on Login. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Interac e-Transfer. To get started with your registration, enter your email address on the field provided. Adding a mobile number is just optional. After that, click on the tick box to save your email and/or mobile to TD profile. Next, you need to set up an auto deposit account. Then select an account by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to it. After selecting, read the terms and conditions stated above. Once done, click on Next. Now, review all the information you provided. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Finish. That's how you register Interac e-Transfer in TD Canada Trust account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.